We'd like to show you how you can efficiently transform a hot tub into a cool tub, even during the warmest part of the day, and then back to a hot tub once the sun goes down. Introducing Cool Zone, a highly efficient and innovative system that can heat or cool the water in your spa within a range of 60 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The Cool Zone option is professionally installed and easily operated through your hot tub's control panel. Cool Zone is perfect for families that live in hot climates or for those who just want to escape the heat of summer. It's ideal for parents or grandparents who want a fun way to entertain younger children. And it's a great place for active adults and athletes who are looking for effective cold water therapy. So, if you'd like more information on how to efficiently transform your hot tub into a cool tub by day and a hot tub by night, contact us now for details.